I think everybody's familiar with Back to the Future. But are you familiar with the Fanhome Back to the Future Delorean? It's like a 1/8 scale uh, model kit that you put together. Well, I made a video on it a long time ago. I haven't done many updates. My apologies. I had a plan to do every issue, but it's been done many times on YouTube. No point in me doing it again. Anyway, I figured I'd give a quick update. So I'm on issue 49, and right now our biggest focus is all the interior detail on the dashboard, all the fake wiring, and things that make it look like, Back to the Future DeLorean. So take a look at this. Before I reveal the interior detail, as you can see from my last update, the engine's done. We also got some wiring going outside to lights and whatnot, both sides. We also got some up front as well, because on the DeLorean, engine's in the back, and the frunk, like a Tesla, is in the front. So you got some more wiring for the headlights and whatnot. But take a look at the interior detail on this thing. And take a look at this detail. All of these components light up. So the entire cluster behind the steering wheel, the odometer, or rather the speedometer, the time circuits, the plutonium gauge as well. These 6 buttons control all the lights. Hence why all the wiring, that's going to go all back here later on. But look at that. Seats are not done yet. Seats are going to go in. You got the fake carpet, and that's a mod actually from, I think it's Mike Mods. But just figured I'd share this. This detail of this thing is amazing. I can't wait to see it lit up. It's going to be some time because, you get 5 packs a time every month. But, yeah, detail is incredible. You even got pedals are all installed. The brake pedal works when you press the brake. The lights light up. Well, they will eventually. But figured I'd share this little update with you. Progress is being made. We still got a long ways to go. Interior, you got the flux capacitor and everything that's going to go here. A long, long time. I got mods coming for that as well. But yeah, this is from Fanhome if you're interested. It's pretty awesome. They have a whole bunch of other kits, but this is my personal favorite because I'm a huge fan of Back to the Future. And I figured I'd share this thing with you because it is looking pretty friggin' cool.